Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have the new Mojito palette from Sugar Drizzle to share with you guys today. This little cutie is called the Mojito Because Summer palette, and it is a 9-pan palette full of mattes, duo, and multi-chrome formulas. This is too cute. This palette drops August the 4th at 11 a.m. CST. You can use my code Steff10. It is an affiliate code to take 10% off of your order. The palette does retail for $34.95, and again, it'll be available August the 4th, 11 a.m. CST. I will definitely be sending out some reminders, posting about it in the community section here on YouTube and over on my Instagram. Today we're going to be creating two looks with this cute palette. You guys know I love a good green eyeshadow, and I cannot wait to dive into this one. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just say hello and welcome to all of you and invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Sugar Drizzle, if you're a fan of mojitos, if you just need something cool and refreshing, give this video a thumbs up before you go. Let's get started, guys. Everything will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. If you guys want to see the two looks I'm about to create, keep on watching. Now, I've already primed my eyelids with my favorite eyeshadow primer, which happens to be from Sugar Drizzle. It is only $7.50 less my affiliate discount code. So yeah, that makes it really affordable. It'd be a nice companion product to pick up if you are going to be picking up this Mojito Because Summer palette. Summer is quickly leaving us. I feel like summer has gone by pretty fast. I love this up here. It's like the little ways, or it's like a little ingredients on how to make a mojito. Again, you're getting 9 different shades, 3 mattes, and then the rest are going to be multi and duochrome. So I think what I'm going to do is I want to do the shade in the crease. Perhaps use this one to deepen up the outer corner and then use this one on the lower lash line. But we'll go in with this one first. This one is called Rum of My Life. I'm going to use the Clarity Cosmetics K704 brush. We'll put that in the crease. My lip combo, I need to give a shout out to this lip combo. So the lip liner is from Unearthly Cosmetics. They did send me, by the way, I forget to mention this, but the palette was sent to me in PR. So thank you so much, Sugar Drizzle. And going back to what I was saying about Unearthly, they did send me all of their new wooden lip liners in PR. So the shade that I have on is shade Bad Blood. So I kind of used it to fill in my lips, and then I went over it with this NYX Fat Oil. This one is in the shade Scrolin. I love the color combination. These new lip liners from Unearthly are a very creamy formula that does last. It does last a good while. I mean, even through eating, it's still going to be on there. You might feel like you need to touch up a little bit, but for being a wooden pencil, it's really a comfortable, creamy formula. Like they did a good job, and the shades are all really good. Okay, so I'm loving this olive shadow. I don't think I'm going to use the other shade to deepen it up. I think this is good enough on its own. This is going to be a very easy palette for you guys to use because you're really only going to need like maybe 2 or 3 shades at most. I'm going to go in with the shadow first. I'll probably end up using 2 of the shimmer shadows. This one is called Mint to Be. And I'm taking this on a damp Morphe M124. This one is a bit of a smoother texture. That's really pretty. The green to gold in there. Very nice. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Squeeze My Line. Same brush. I did spray it, and I think I picked up too much. So if you see fallout, yeah, I'm going to tap off my brush. I just picked up too much. This is more of a textured shadow than the first one. I'm actually in the middle of a foundation review wear test. It is this one right here from Bare Minerals. You guys will probably see the Bare Minerals video go up after you see this one. Okay, loving that. Now I'm going to go in with the lime green for the lower lash line. This one is called Born to Rum. And I'm using a BK204. I'm only going to take it to about halfway. I want to try using the yellow. Oops. What happened there? I'll have to take that off right now. I want to try using that yellow shimmer shadow. Now on a BH Cosmetics pencil brush, I'm going to go in with this yellow one called Give Me Some Sugar. And I am going to spray it. Love this. Okay. I am going to pop off camera to do some mascara, liner. I don't know if I'll do lashes. I might. I have a new pair of lashes up here I've been wanting to try. But I'll be right back to show you the completed look. Okay, so here is the completed look number one. I opted not to use lashes because you guys told me that this new mascara from Too Faced is actually a primer. So I decided, you know what, I need to try this out. So I have it on as a primer. I did this first, and then I went in with the Too Faced, the OG BTS Mascara. So that is what I have going on the lashes. On the top lash line, I use this new one from Essence. This is their brush tip liquid liner in the shade Black. And for the lower waterline, I used one eyeliner that I got from Temu the other day, and this one is in the shade PS003, the lime green one, obviously. I love the way this look turned out. I love a good green eyeshadow look. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number two. So for look number two, I'm going to use this for the inner portion of the crease, and then this, of course, for the outer portion. So the lighter green is called Born to Rum, and the darker green down here is called Summertime. I'm taking Born to Rum on a Singe Beauty E02. Yeah, Singe Beauty E02. This is such a good shade. This brush is applying this shade so nicely. Now for Summertime, I'm using the Singe E05. Okay, loving it. Such a nice color combo. Oh, this lime green right here, my favorite. Okay, so now we have, let's see. I think I'm gonna try this one. This looks really interesting. This one is called Mojitos Every Day. I'm gonna do that in the center, and then maybe we'll do Club Soda for the inner corner. We'll see how that plays out. Using a damp Morphe M124. Oh, this is pretty. It ties in perfectly with those two mattes. Look at that. Wow. I do feel a little bit of fallout. This is more of a smoother shade as well. Now I'm taking Club Soda on a damp BH Cosmetics pencil brush. I think I'm going to do this darker green down here. Ooh, that's fun. Yeah, let me do that. I'm going to go back in with the Singe Beauty E05 with that shade. So there's only one shade that I didn't get to use, and I'm going to swatch it here. It was this shade right here. This one is called Till, what is it? Till I'll Have Another. I'm sorry. It's called I'll Have Another. And it's just like a light blue. But yeah, let me pop off camera, take care of the finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number two. So here's the completed look number two. I absolutely love it. I used one eyeliner. It's another one from Temu. This one is in the shade PS. This one also says PS003. These came, I think, as a bundle. I don't know. It's a like an emerald green, and then this other one I have on this eye is more of like a lime green, but I used it to line the top lash line, and I used it for the lower waterline, and then same Too Faced primer and mascara. I love the way both of these looks turned out. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. Okay guys, so if you are in the market for a new green eyeshadow palette, I think the Mojito palette from Sugar Drizzle is definitely going to need to be on your must-try list. This palette, it's super lightweight. It's like your typical cardboard packaging. There is no mirror, but you have the little cute instructions here on how to make a mojito at home, and then you have these 9 really great shadows. So 3 mattes, and then the rest are going to be duo and multi-chromes. This palette does drop on August the 4th at 11 a.m. CST. It retails for $34.95, but you can use my affiliate code Steff10, and that will give you 10% off of your order. I want to encourage you to also pick up the eyeshadow primer, because that is what I've been using and loving for the last couple months, and it's only $7.50. I think this is a solid green blue eyeshadow palette. I love the 3 mattes that Nikki, the owner of Sugar Drizzle, included. This is just a cute palette, a cute little 9-pan palette, easy to travel with, easy to wear. You really only need 1 matte. You can do the matte in the crease and then the same matte on the lower lash line, and then pick 1 or 2 of the multi or duochrome shadows. Really easy palette, fun for the summer, fun to take traveling with you. You might get a little bit of fallout. I didn't really notice that much fallout to where I needed to use glitter glue or anything like that, but the eyeshadow primer that Sugar Drizzle has can easily act as a glitter primer or shimmer primer as well. So I think it's a winner. It's green. You guys know how I feel about green. I love green eyeshadow. I love Sugar Drizzle, so it's definitely getting 2 thumbs up from me. Now I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of this too cute Mojito palette? Mojito because summer. That is the official name of it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know which look you like best. Are you team 1, 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.